This land was poor soil and bony gravel when we began. Just rocks and dust underfoot, barely fit for any man. No grandpappy's tales to guide me, no roots running deep from kin. But we rolled up sleeves and built it right, turned struggle into win. Raised beds rising from the gravel, cover crops hugging every row. No chemicals scaring the earth, just life we learned to grow. Food forest thick with natives, bees buzzing in the shade so sweet. We invested in ourselves, our land, our neighbors down the street. But now come shadows with halos, NGOs swooping in like vultures bold, calling themselves the fixers, spending billions in taxpayer gold. They fly to Haiti ruins, Congo fields where aid money disappears. Red Cross billions vanished, leaving broken hearts and tears. Oh, why does it feel so wicked? These halos glowing false and bright. They preach big compassion from their jets, but kill the local fight. From border buses rolling midnight to green funds feeding the elite, they divide our towns and waste our cash, turn kindness to deceit. We built this from gravel and grit, no grants, no strings attached. While they profit off the chaos, tell me, how's that justice matched? We shared our harvest with the folks nearby, built community strong and true. No government middlemen taking cuts, just honest work we do. But NGOs flood the lines, Catholic Charities, Lutheran on the take, ferrying strangers with our dollars, turning neighbors into heartbreak. Soros shadows push the agenda, dark money keeping borders wide, while real stewards like me get taxed to fuel their endless tide. They nationalize the good we do, make it bloated, full of lies. Executives cashing fat checks, while the needy get alibis. Aid fraud in the jungle, kickbacks, bribes, and waste so grand. Haiti still shattered after quakes, Congo's people left with empty hands. They virtue signal from afar, pushing plans that tear apart, while we root deep in healed up soil, staying true from the heart. Oh, why does it feel so wicked? These halos glowing false and bright. They preach salvation from their towers, but snuff the local light. From corrupt contracts and slush funds to border games they play, they profit off the crisis, make the hard working pay. We turn bony gravel to bounty, with sweat and soil we remain. The self-made farmers warning loud, don't let them have their way. If we don't shine the truth and holler, cut the strings on this charade, we'll lose the land we fought to heal, the freedom we've remained. From creeping grants to full invasion, like weeds choking out the crop, this old nurseryman standing firm before the good soil drops. Oh, why does it feel so wicked? These halos on the horizon, we built it right, we built it clean. From gravel to our vision,